Hello everyone, myself Amit Kumar Mane, founder Global Pharma Academy. Today we are going to discuss an announcement of our 3 months training program in CPC medical coding. Medical coding is one of the best opportunity for all the people who completed the graduation in the B Pharm, in BSc, even apart from non-science also able to do, but yes, you need to properly prepare for the basic things in the medical coding. So here we are going to provide you the medical coding training, but let me tell you there are 2 types of jobs in the medical coding. First, you are directly apply for the job without any kind of the exam. It should be non-certified, but if you crack the exam, international exam, which is CPC, certified professional coder, then you will become certified coder. So for a certified coder, there are a lot of opportunity. There are pay scale is good, the work the companies which are providing the opportunities are also good. So I always recommend to become a CPC certified, then you can apply for opportunity in the medical coding. So for CPC there is international exam, but before that you need to prepare for this, and hence we provide a 3 months training program in CPC medical coding. And in this program you will completely get learning and guidance from us about preparing for the CPC medical coding exam. We completely prepare you thoroughly, okay, and then you can able to crack the exam. So accordingly our syllabus and course curriculum is built. So let me tell about the schedule. This batch will start from the 22 March 2026. Okay, the timing will be 1 PM to 3 PM, okay, and the platform will be online. So the first thing is what kind of the syllabus you teach us in this course. So the business of medicine, review of anatomy, overview of ICD 10cm, then applying ICD 10cm, accurate ICD 10cm coding, then CPT and ICD 10cm coding, introduction to CPT HCPCS level 2 and modifier, then integumentary system, skeletal system, respiratory system, cardiovascular system, hemic and lymphatic system, mediastinum, diaphragm, digestive system, urinary system, male genital system, female reproductive system, maternity care and delivery, endocrine system and nervous system, special senses, anesthesia, radiology, pathology and laboratory, evaluation and management services, medicines. Along with this, we also provide the books, which is first CPT, Common Procedure Terminology. Okay, so CPT is the one of the best book which we are suggesting you, because the highest question is provided by this book only. Okay, and along with this ICD book we also provide, but of course it is a soft copy. Then for the CPT and then anatomy physiology book, which is online we are providing, and then question bank is also we are providing. So these are the study material we are going to provide you. Now we are going to discuss about the benefits of this course. So first benefit is all about that the certification of the academy. We are ISO certified organization, so we provide you this certification which is internationally accepted. Next one, you will get a learning from 15+ year experience trainer who is still now working in the medical coding. Then the next one, we also prepare you for the interviews. The skill development sessions are there. And the last one, and very important, it is a placement assistance. We provide you all the placement opportunity pan India. The mostly opportunities are there in, you can say, Coimbatore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore, Pune, Mumbai. So these are the lot of opportunity you will get, but in the metro city these jobs are mostly opportunities are available. So the companies which are hiring for this position are like Optum Healthcare, okay, then Chirok, okay, then V Technology, then Gap Solution, okay, then Omega Healthcare. And then there are others also like Ascent Healthcare, WNS. Okay, so you can able to properly prepared for this exam, and then you can able to get an opportunity. This is the different benefit. And now we are going to discuss about the fees for this course. So the fees is 20,000. Okay, for the 3 months we are going to provide you, but it is also available in the installment. 2 installment we will allow you, but after that there is one-time payment is also available, and there is 1,000 off, like 19,000 is the fee if you pay in the one go. So now we are discussing about how to enroll. It is very simple. In description I provided the resume link. Just click over there or you can pay online to our registered number. Here it is mentioned 9423272876. Then you will get an email confirmation, okay, and then you will become added in the class group once you pay the fees. So this is very simple, but who can able to do this course? Any graduate can able to do this course. Even you have a career gap and you are right now want to start a career, it means a short career gap, but you want to start career in medical coding, you can do, okay. And even you are in the other field, want to switch in the medical coding, you can do, but make sure that you must be prepared very well for the CPC. You have to crack it, then you get these opportunities in the medical coding sector. You need to become a skill set of revenue cycle management, different guidelines, HIPAA regulations, different dictionaries, okay. So meanwhile the course duration we will guide you for the same. To know more, just fill the Google form which is given in the description or call to this number. This is our student coordinator number. They will guide you, or visit our website www.globalpharmaacademy.com. Now we will discuss about the most frequently asked question. The first question may be, will I get job opportunity after this course? Yes, definitely. We are providing all job opportunity, possible opportunities pan India. Whether we also prepare you, most of the time it is walk-in interview, so you have to visit there. But sometime we also refer you for the particular position in the medical coding. Will I get the work from home job? So it is difficult at entry level, but yes, after experience you will definitely get. Now, like what is the salary for the medical coding? It should be varies from 25,000 to 40,000 per month. It depends on the company and their project requirement. But yes, you will get an hike as well. So this is one of the best opportunity. Like if you are going as a non-certified, salary is less. So it is always better to get opportunity as a certified medical coder. Next question may be, is AI affecting medical coding? So actually AI improves the medical coding processing, accuracy, output. That is why it will be more beneficial for the medical coding industry. But yes, there is an opportunity for you. So you need to prepare accordingly. But yes, there is no any as such a huge impact on the employment of the AI. AI is right now working on increasing the output. So that will be beneficial for both organizations and employee as well. Then can I get any study material during this course? Yes, you will get CPT book offline, then question bank offline, then ICD coding like dictionary online, and anatomy physiology book online. So that's it all about the CPC medical coding training program of ours. So if you have any query, just fill the Google form, call to the given number, okay. But yes, we are happy to like help you. And if you want to build a career in the medical coding, this course is one of the best opportunity. If you are a fresher, entry level person, you will get this opportunity and you can prepare for CPC, crack the exam and get an opportunity in the reputed organization. So that's it all from this today's video. I hope you completely understood our course curriculum. If you still any query, reach out at us, okay. We will happy to guide you. Thanks for watching this video. I wish you all the best.